Hello traders. Hope you are doing well in stock market. If not, I am there for you. So I am back to bang with a new video for all of you. Before starting, let's do a special welcome to all my new viewers. If you have not subscribed till now, you can see a red subscribe button below. Just smash the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so that you will get my all updates and notifications. Today's video gonna be very excited. So in today's topic, I will discuss about why do 95 of Indian traders fails in stock market, and I will discuss here 7 reasons for the failure of Indian traders in stock market, and also I will discuss how can you overcome it. So let's start. Actually, I don't know the accurate percentage of the failures. Some article says it's more than 95%, some says it's 80%, whatever. It means more percentage of Indian traders fails in stock market, and this is the fact. But I always see it in a different way. It means there are 5 to 15% of traders who always succeeding in stock market. So why don't we be in the 15% list, right? So here we discuss 7 reasons for failure of Indian traders, but all the reasons here are based on my experience and my point of view. So here we go with why number 1, and it's always in hurry. We know to become a doctor it takes 5 years. To become an engineer it takes about 4 years. To become any graduate minimum 3 years are required. Even some people give their whole life to become a CA, right? So being a new trader, how can you think you can be succeed, you can be expert overnight? It must take time. It is a process, and in this process you have to learn everything slowly. And for learning, I am here. So don't forget to subscribe. Why number 2? No strategies. Lots of traders don't want to acknowledge this. According to them, strategy means some technical indicators and their uses like RSI, MACD and etc. But this is only a setup, and no one can earn for a long time consistently. On the other hand, professional traders uses time-based strategies with behavior of market and market participants. Why number 3? Too big trade size. By the help of leveraging, they try to multiply their small amount into a big investment and take big risk. Their mindset is very similar to a gambler. If they're lucky, they earn, but luck doesn't come every day and every time. So they loss in huge amount and out of market. Why number 4? No discipline. New traders always driven by emotions rather than logic. In a single day, they experienced all the type of emotions, like they got excited, impatient, frustrated, confused and fearful. See, everybody has emotions, but it is one thing to have them and completely other thing to react over it. But professional traders know very well that acting over emotions in stock market is like jump into a dry well. In last 10 years, I have realized that trading is simple a business and should be treated like such. So, if you want to be professional in stock market, you have to understand this. This is a business and you have to treat it like a business. Why number 5? Repeating the same mistake. They never learn from their mistakes. They keep doing the same mistakes over and over and over, even after realizing them. For example, at 9:15, taking a trade is very risky, but still, some of them do the mistake. In the first 15 minutes, market highly volatile, and taking a trade is a bad idea in the time. But they can't resist themselves to take a trade in the time. If you want to be professional trader, postmortem your each and every trade. What is good in the trade? What is bad? and what could have been done better. Find every mistake and promise yourself not to do again. Why number 6? Trading in overhyped stocks. In stock market, some stocks may overhyped knowingly to do manipulation. For this, broadcast is used as a best way. So, if they see a stock going upward or downward, accordingly they take their trade and loses everything. But a professional traders always keep themselves away from the overhyped stocks. Why number 7? Give up easily. Here we can take the same example. See, do you think a doctor should quit or shouldn't continue his study in second year because of not getting income? No. For income, he must have to complete his course, right? Here trading is a skill and you have to develop it. But again, it will not come overnight. You have to do hard work for at least 6 months to a year. In another video, I'll discuss about what should be done by a new trader. So that's all for the video. But don't forget to like, share and comment. Your comment is valuable and encourage me to do better work for you. You can join me in live market in my Telegram also. Have a profitable day. Thank you. Thanks for watching.